If you want a little more immersion in a flight simulator, the usual next step is a force feedback joystick. As the name suggests, they give some sense of the resistance the real pilot feels when they move the controls. The Genius Metalstick Pro is a halfway house in that it has a vibration motor inside. This means that the joystick judders during flight, but it's not directional. You won't feel the stick move off to one side. In fact, it's not metal either, but the plastic is solid enough that we don't think this is going to be a problem. It's comfortable to hold, assuming that you're right-handed, and the buttons on the base are numbered. This helps to keep track of what button has been assigned to what function, but it's a shame that this hasn't been done to the top buttons as well. Otherwise, controls are standard with a twist for rudder control and a throttle control on the front. It's not a stick like many joysticks, but it does make easier access to the 4 buttons on the right-hand side possible while controlling the throttle with your thumb. The unique feature of this joystick is a fan built into the stick itself to keep your hand cool during gaming, thanks to these holes along the back. There's a button on the front of the stick to turn it on, and it has 2 different speeds. It's a little noisy, but it did keep our hands cool while we were using it. Whether this is worth the £40 price tag is a bit harder to justify. For example, the Cytac Aviator joystick doesn't have vibration, but it's a much better joystick. It has dual throttle controls, and it's significantly cheaper at £25. Products at a similar price include the Logitech Force 3D Pro, which has proper force feedback, and the Thrustmaster T-Flight, which has a proper throttle control. Still, this is a comfortable joystick to use, and the fan is a great idea for extended gaming sessions. But if you're serious about flight simulators, you might want to look elsewhere.